Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to mark an order as shipped on TCG Player. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you shipped an order on TCG Player. How do you go ahead and let the customer know that you marked it as shipped? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TCG Player, then click on orders. But as you can see here, I have two open orders right now. What you're going to do is that you're going to click on this checkbox of the orders that you want to go ahead and mark as shipped. So we'll just select all these orders right now. And then you're going to click on mark as shipped. So once you do so, you're going to see that the selected orders has been marked as shipped so that your customer knows that you've gone ahead and shipped their cards on TCG Player. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark an order as shipped on TCG Player. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.